Hi. Yesterday, SSP officials have sent a message to all the students regarding the completion of e-attestation process. The students who have completed their application process, they have also received the message. Because of that, all the students have got panic and they are in a confused state like what to do in this pandemic situation. In this video, I will try to clarify the doubt related to e-attestation message what you have received from SSP officials. This is the message what the students have received. Dear student, please contact your college attestation officer and get your documents e-attested by sharing the copy of the original documents through email or WhatsApp to the concerned officer without any delay. This is the message what the SSP officials have sent to all the students. This has created a lot of panic among the students. But actually this message is only for those students who have not yet applied for the scholarship through SSP Portal 2021. If you have already applied and if your application is submitted successfully and you got the acknowledgement letter, there is no point in getting panic. The same information I got from SSP officials also. Today they have sent a mail to me regarding the same, like this is an awareness message sent by SSP portal to complete the e-attestation process and application final submission process. If the student have already submitted, they ask us to ignore this particular message. If the students have not yet completed their application process, they have asked to complete the application process as early as possible. I hope this video has cleared your doubt regarding the e-attestation message what you have received from SSP officials. Do share this video with all the concerned students so that they will also get some relief. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.